Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 Chevy Equinox LT. Stock number Z7202XX. Only 20,000 miles and there's one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Summit white in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle as well. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear with additional storage cubbies on both sides, as well as power outlet. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, puts you in that perfect driving position. To read gauges with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen MyLink infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, and Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio, heating and air conditioning. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, as well as economy mode. Lots of storage space in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. And a spacious glove box with all the owners. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 32 on the highway, and approximately 40% of tire tread left. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ7202XX to 6624.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.